Want to share your YouTube TV subscription with your family without paying extra? You can using family sharing. So let's break down how it works and how to set it up in just a few minutes. If you have got a YouTube TV membership, you can create a Google Family group and share your plan with up to 5 other people at no extra cost. Each person gets their own account, their own DVD library, and their own recommendations. No one sees your watch history or recordings. And bonus, your family members also get access to any add-ons or premium channels you subscribe to. To use family sharing, you must be the family manager, the one who creates and manages the groups. Everyone you invite must be 13 or older and live in the same household. All members need a Google account. You can only be part of one family group at a time. Here's how to get started. Go to tv.youtube.com and sign in with the Google account that has the activate YouTube TV membership. Now click on your profile picture, then go to settings, select family sharing or family group and click setup, then follow the steps to invite up to the 5 family members. They will get an email invite once they accept their in. From now on, everyone in the group can open YouTube TV with their own account and access everything included in the plan. As a family member, you get your own DVR library, recommendations, watch history, and access to premium add-ons like HBO or sports packages. Family sharing also connects to other Google services like Google Calendar and Google Photo Sharing, all managed under the same family group. And that's it. Family sharing on YouTube TV is a great way to save money and still give everyone in the house their own space to watch and record what they love. Need help removing or swapping members? Want to know how to manage your add-ons? Please check out other guided links below. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful YouTube TV tips.